Hello, I'm from iFeel Stretch Ceilings. We are really honored to be partnered up with Lux Lab in Ahmedabad. So they have launched iFeel Stretch Ceilings in Ahmedabad and for the complete Gujarat region. So we are just one call away in whichever region is required. So we are stretch ceiling manufacturers. We would say the number one stretch ceiling manufacturer and architectural lighting manufacturers in India. So we use a European fabric. This is a stretch fabric. So when you stretch it, it should look in this way. So it is fire retardant and smoke retardant. If you can see, this complete pathway is made by using this stretch fabric. So we use a specific lighting for the installation of stretch fabric. It's called a rigid block, where we manufacture the rigid block with the help of a Osram chip. So in each block there are 4 LED dots, and in 1 square feet we place the lights in such a way that 6 LED dots are used and 6 wattage is consumed. So compared to the local vendors, the LED strips consumes around 24 volts or 12 volts, whereas our stretch ceiling consumes only 6 watts per square feet. So if you want a power consuming and long lasting one, you should surely choose Lux Lab, partnered up with iFeel Stretch Ceilings. I would like to show you the other options we have. So these are called lacquered stretch ceilings. They're available in different textures. So if you can show on the top, so lacquered stretch ceilings comes without any lights, but in case you want a light source like fixing a chandelier in between or getting track lights, profile lights, you could let us know prior, so that we'll give you some acrylic cuttings where you can fix your lights and it will change the complete ambience. So these are the textures we have in lacquer. They're all matte in different colors. You get it in different shades. So it all gives a luxury ambience. It's like a texture. And then we have this glossy thing. So these are called glossy lacquered stretch ceilings. It's basically a replica for mirror, and you can see your reflection in the top. So we have a lot of color options for the lacquered stretch ceiling. As I told, you can get the wooden boxing done, but in case you want the aluminium boxing to be suspended and you want a proper finishing with aluminium, or let's say any shapes like you want a circle, cloud or a star, a dolphin, any kind of shape, then this profile, we have a bending machine where we bend it this way without any flaws. If you can see, it's a perfect bend without any cuts. So this can be powder coated and shape lights can be done, so it will look this way. So we do not have any restrictions to size or shapes. So for any kind of custom lighting, shape lights or profile lights, also you can get in touch with us. So we also recommend the client to get a wooden boxing done for the installation of stretch ceiling. In case you're unable to do that and you want us to do it with the aluminium housing, and then it needs to be suspended below so the surface will be visible, then we use a light box. This is the profile, aluminium profile light box we use for the boxing, and then this boxing is made from our factory. We fix the lights and we send the boxings and then carry out the fabric installation on site. So we can powder coat this aluminium. This is the finish you can see. It's a perfect finish. So any RAL code you give us, any color you give us, we will get this powder coated without any extra charges for that. So we do not have any kind of color barriers. So we print it with the help of a UV printer. We have a 5-meter UV printer and there's no color restrictions. Any design which you want, you can maybe send us some reference pictures, or you can sit with our designer on call, online, anywhere, because we have in-house architects and in-house designers who would actually design what is in your head and then bring it to the real life. So this is about iFeel Stretch Ceilings and Lux Lab. Thank you.